Want to find TikTok creators, influencers, and business contacts without searching profile by profile? With LeadStal's TikTok email finder and phone number scraper, you can collect publicly available TikTok leads in just a few clicks. Start by opening TikTok Explore, search results, a profile page, followers list, following list, or suggested creator section. Then click the red LeadStal Generate Leads button. LeadStal will scan publicly available profile information and organize everything into a clean lead table. You can collect usernames, display names, bios, profile URLs, websites, emails when available, phone numbers when available, social links, public metrics, and other available contact details. You can also filter your results based on available profile data, so you can focus on the creators or businesses that match your outreach goals. Once your list is ready, export everything into a clean CSV file with one click. Then use that file for influencer outreach, brand partnerships, sponsorship campaigns, recruiting, sales, or market research. That's it. Open TikTok, click Generate Leads, choose your source, collect public creator data, and export your CSV. LeadStal helps you build targeted TikTok creator lead lists faster, cleaner, and smarter.